Hello everyone. We are here to do the experiment of study of operational amplifier as inverting amplifier. So here we have a kit on which we are going to perform the experiment of operational amplifier as inverting amplifier. So here we have a fixed power supplies of 12 volt, and here we have a operational amplifier. It has two inputs. One is for the non inverting and one is for the inverting input. And here we have offset nulls also, and here we have a VCC and minus VCC for the power supplies. And here we have some registers which we will add to our op-amp, and here we have a potentiometers to vary the resistance across the inputs of the op-amps. And here we have a positive variable supply, or here we have a negative variable supply which we will use. So let's to do the connections. Now connect the positive variable supply of P2 to the R1 of terminal 2. Next, R2 of terminal 1, which goes to the inverting input, and then we have a ground which goes to the R5 of terminal 10, and R5 of terminal 9 goes to the non-inverting input. And now connect the VR2, which is terminal 44, which goes to the inverting input point 2. Next we have a terminal 45 which we will connect in terminal 46. Again connect terminal 46 to the output of a op-amp. Now we will supply the VCC, which is fixed 12 volt, and we have a minus VCC which is minus 12 volts. Now connect minus VCC equal to minus 12 volts, and now we have to take the output to the digital multimeter, which is from output of the op-amp, and second will go to the ground. So it is our output, and now we will perform the experiment. This is our connection of non-inverting op-amp. We will set our P2 voltage equal to 2 volts. So here we have a digital multimeter by which we can set, and it is now showing 2 volts. So we have a positive variable supply we have fixed at equal to 2 volts. It is our input voltage. And now we have to check our output. So our output will be from op-amp's output, and then we have a ground here. So it is showing that 0.878 volts, and now we have to vary the VR2, which is RF, which is a feedback resistance. As we increase the feedback resistance, our op-amp gain will also increase. As you can see here, this is the V out of a op-amp. We have RF divided by R1 into V in. V in voltage we have equal to 2 volts, and RF is the feedback resistance, and R1 is the resistance which we have given here at the inverting resistance. Uh, so as I am going to increase the feedback resistance, which is VR2 or RF, our output will also increase, but it is in the inverting manner. Here we are giving positive power supply and we are getting inverted, means negative power supply in amplifying mode. As you can see here, we are getting, so as we are moving VR2, and you can see here we are getting an amplified voltage which is greater than 2 volt, but it is in a negative,
Inverted.
means inverted. So in this way you can see the operational amplifier as amplifying mode in inverting mode. So this is the experiment which shows our positive voltage will we will get a negative voltage at the output, but in negative negative voltage. Okay, thank you.